Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove a linked bank account from Chime. If you don't have a Chime account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $100 when you receive your qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your phone number to help secure your account. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. Once you're on this page, scroll down and locate for the Linked Bank Accounts section. Now you will see your linked bank accounts. Click on the bank account you wish to remove. Then a Delete Account button will appear. Click on the Delete Account button. A pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to unlink this account. To proceed, click on Yes. That's how you remove a linked bank account from Chime. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.